Welcome back to the Pixel Pub, where we help you stress less and game more. Today we're cracking open a refreshing headset, especially if you're a streamer. The Logitech G733 Lightspeed wireless gaming headset in this really nice looking lilac color. And while I 100% would wear this color of headset, no problems. Yes, this one is actually for my wife. She just let me film the unboxing. Nothing crazy about the packaging, which is always nice. We don't need to be wasteful on something like this. But right on top, we have the package that says keep playing, which includes the USB-C cable, as well as the wireless dongle in perfect matching lilac color, I might add. Right under the headset, we have the safety and warranty information, and then packed in this tiny little plastic tube, we have the Logitech G733 headset itself. Along with the headset, you have the removable microphone as well as a reversible suspension headband, which I think is a really nice touch. Logitech does actually sell a couple of these separately if you want a different color, or in our case, you can just buy another headset, have your 3-year-old son break them, and then buy a brand new headset to replace it. And now you have an extra headband to be able to swap out whenever you want. Now, the lilac color isn't the only way that this headset looks good. You've got LIGHTSYNC RGB zones that you can customize to your heart's content and even match your stream PC setup. All done with the surprisingly decent Logitech G Hub software that's included. Lighting as well as mic filters are all included with this software. At only 278 grams, you'll be able to wear the G733 through a full stream and still be able to make it down to the Pixel Pub afterwards without your ears hurting. Plus, 29 hours of battery life means after that all-night grind session, you're still gonna have charge left for the morning after VOD edit. So if you're in the market for a new headset, make sure you check out that current pricing using my Amazon affiliate link down below. I definitely appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.